Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on January 5th, 2026, just 4 days ago. It establishes a new theoretical bound, called the energy precision dissipation theorem, which proves that maintaining a stable belief against the natural decay of information requires a fundamental minimum power input. The paper is titled, Bayesian Emergent Dissipative Structures, a Formal Framework for Continuous Inference Under Energy Constraints. And as we'll see later, this framework offers a fascinating new perspective on why forgetting is actually a necessary functional component for energy-efficient learning. Alright, to clarify exactly how this differs from traditional computing, this table contrasts the classical Turing machine with the BEDS framework. Looking at the input and memory rows, we see that while a Turing machine assumes a finite input string and unbounded perfect memory, BEDS handles an infinite flux of data using finite, decaying memory. Consequently, the fundamental limit, shown at the bottom, shifts from logical undecidability to a physical energy precision trade-off. Well, this table connects those specific limits to a much wider pattern known as the Gödel-Landauer-Prigogine conjecture. It proposes that closure pathologies, essentially dead ends caused by isolation, share a universal structure. The first row shows that in formal systems, excluding external axioms leads to incompleteness, which is only solvable via meta-levels. Similarly, the entries for computation and thermodynamics reveal that closed systems suffer from irreversibility and disorder, problems that disappear only when the system opens up to export heat or entropy. So, wrapping things up, the big insight here is that for any intelligence living in the real world, forgetting is actually a feature, not a bug. The BEDS framework proves that maintaining precise beliefs requires a constant energy tax, linking thermodynamics directly to how we learn and think. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.